Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you actually need room. Open About This Mac and view storage, then locate the biggest offenders. Delete downloads, installers, and empty trash to free immediate space. This clears temporary blockers so the updater can run. If you only need a few gigabytes, transfer photos or videos to an external drive or iCloud. Make sure file transfer is complete before continuing. Once done, restart Finder and recheck available space so the update can proceed without mid-install failures. Next, create breathing room and a safety net. Build a bootable USB installer if you have 16 GB, so you won't rely on internal disk space during installation. Use storage management to offload unused apps, enable iCloud photo library optimization, and clear app caches. These actions free sizable amounts quickly. Delete large virtual machine files or move them to external drives. Make sure to verify the USB installer and that critical data is backed up. This prevents data loss and gives you an alternate install path. Now you perform the update. If you created a USB installer, use it. Otherwise, install from system preferences when you have about 10 to 20 GB free to allow unpacking. During installation, make sure the Mac stays plugged in and don't interrupt the process. If the installer fails, boot into safe mode or Mac OS recovery to run first aid on the disk and retry the install from USB. After success, remove the installer and temporary files to reclaim space. This resolves most leftover storage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.